In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your life together in Notion. Let's jump right in and set up a simple, reliable system you can return to every day. Start by opening your browser and going to Notion.com. On the home page, click Login in the top right. Choose the Google option, then select your Google account to sign in. Once you're in your workspace, look for the workspace name at the top left. Click the small arrow or More option beside it to open the menu, and choose Templates. This takes you to Notion's template marketplace, where we can grab a ready-made system instead of building from scratch. In the search bar, type Goal Tracker. A goal tracker template is perfect for getting your life together because it centralizes your plans yearly, quarterly, and monthly, so your priorities, deadlines, and progress live in one place. From the results, click 2026 Goal Tracker. On the template page, click Add. Notion will take a moment to create a copy in your workspace, so give it a second to finish. When it's ready, click 2026 Goal Tracker in your sidebar to open it. This is your hub. You can customize it to your preferences, rename sections, adjust properties like priority, area of life, or due dates, and tweak the language so it matches how you think. The key is to keep it simple and consistent so you'll actually use it. Next, open the Goal Progress section. Think of this as your high-level dashboard. It shows what you're working toward and how far along you are. Use it for quick weekly check-ins. Scan what's on track, what's behind, and what needs attention. If you make updates here, like changing a status or adjusting a timeline, those updates reflect across the rest of the template, so everything stays aligned. Now click Goals. This is your master list, the source of truth for all objectives. Here you can review each goal's details and keep your sorting and filtering clean, group by priority or area, and keep statuses consistent so your overview and progress views remain accurate. Move to quarterly goals. This breaks big ambitions into manageable, quarter-length focus windows. It's a great way to reduce overwhelm. Commit to a few outcomes per quarter and ignore the rest until the next cycle. Finally, click monthly goals. Use this view to translate quarterly focus into concrete targets for the next 30 days. Keep your scope realistic, assign clear deadlines, and make sure your statuses match the other views so progress rolls up cleanly. That's it, your streamlined Notion system for getting life together. Revisit Goal Progress weekly, refine your goals as you learn, and let the template keep you organized, focused, and moving forward.